This shallow angle, 45-degree discharge system produces a tunneling effect that causes the last sand in, red in this scenario, to be the first sand out. Each color remains solid and unblended during discharge, except minor mixing at the layer interfaces. The top red layer is the first to exit, followed by the top white layer, followed by the blue, and finally the bottom white. This flow is important to remember when you're using sand with temperature-sensitive chemical binders. The takeaway? A tunneling effect causes the last sand in to be the first sand out.